Cleaning tools and agents remove dirt and germs from surfaces. Tools include broom, brush, mop, dustpan, and sponge. Agents like water, soap, detergent, and disinfectant help remove stains from floors, walls, and household items. Different areas require specific agents. The kitchen needs soap and disinfectant for food stains and germs. The bathroom needs detergent and disinfectant for tiles and toilet bowls, while the living room can use water and mild soap. Each tool has a purpose: broom for sweeping, mop for cleaning, dustpan for collecting dirt, sponge for wiping, and brush for scrubbing. Proper cleaning starts with sweeping using a broom, collecting dirt with a dustpan, then cleaning surfaces with soap or detergent. Always wear gloves when handling strong agents like disinfectants, and maintain tools for better effectiveness.